真是，Thank you，
大家好。I'm your best sales guy.
Thank you.
I work on commission.
No commission. We will buy more chip from you.
Don't buy more chips.
我是
这
这个鼓励
没有啊。哦，够水啊！
Super Michael
你没有看到那么漂亮的东西吗？
跟天使一样漂亮。Super Michael in now.
I have many American colleagues. They don't understand my Chinese. I have many Chinese colleagues. They don't understand my Chinese. 还可以啊，每一天慢慢学。咱向你这人在家里在跟我出价。
多谢啦。Only.
Are we allowed to do this on
2.5
TV?
million
Are we on TV?
I guess it will.
Is this? 哦，歹势，讲滚笑的啦。我咧讲你的好话啦。
多谢啦，多谢啦。我一定会报答你啊！
哈，我来斗三工，你我斗三工啊。
我一定会报答你啊！今年，
咱讲台湾话超1/3听有尔。
Okay, then make DLC.
When we're together, sometimes we speak Taiwanese, sometimes we speak Mandarin, and then when we disagree, we speak English. 这只做水，
这只旧年的啦，last year AU air cool，
老嘛，但是也水，跟咱相像。
刚才想想，你要笑人的啦。